They say orange is the new black, but these days gray seems to be the new black, and I love it. The silvers, the brush, the grays, the bronzes, the everything but black. I am finally happy that gloss black and satin black has moved on with its trend, and people are choosing to do color on their wheels. About time. That brings us to today's Unbox That Wheel. Over here we got these Origin SMR 05s, beautiful wheels. So let's come on in and let's open them up. All right, so over here we got the brand new Origin SMR 05s. This is their brand new wheel design. It is a little bit of a common wheel design in the past couple of years that we have been seeing floating around the industry. However, I personally, in my humble opinion, think Origin has perfected this with the amount of detail that they have put into this wheel design, with the bullnose cuts in between the spokes and with the hole pocketing in between the lug holes, in between the spokes, to cut down the wheel weight, and it just adds on to that design and makes it look so much better. These wheels are done in a brushed silver. This particular wheel is a 21 by 12. It's going to be going on a C8 Corvette. And one of my favorite things about these wheels is the way that they have done the concavity. Most wheels, the concavity begins right at the edge of the spoke and it cuts right down. In this scenario, the concavity starts halfway through the spoke and has a heavy dip down. It reminds me a lot of the Japanese wheels that I grew up loving. And just overall, beautiful wheel, very lightweight, doesn't weigh a whole much, looks great. I'm looking forward to putting this on the C8. And for those of you that are local, I hope you take a look when you see them on the car.